Okay, so today we'll discuss about as of now we discussed about the procurement to pay and some of the importance of the invoice verifications and uh, some of the validations. So today we'll discuss about the uh, third party procurement process. Okay, so what is the meaning of the third party procurement process?
I mean, we are doing a contract to other person.
No, so third party procurement process is nothing but like instead of we are dispatching the stock to the customer, I'm requesting vendor to dispatch the goods to directly to the customer. Okay, so this is it's kind of a triangle. Okay, so we'll get order from the customer. Okay, and okay, so what we will get a customer order. Okay, and based on customer order we'll be creating purchase order, and we informing to the vendor to dispatch the goods to directly to customer. Okay, clear? So in the third party procurement process, what we can go, so customer order. Okay, instead of we dispatching the goods to customer, dispatching goods to customer, I'm requesting vendor to dispatch directly to customer. Okay, so generally what will be happening generally if I get the stock, I will do the inward and then I will receive the goods, then I will prepare the PGI and I will dispatch the goods to customer. So that was the process, right? Generally how it will be happen based on my customer order, I'll be creating the purchase order, I will receive the goods from the vendor and I will send the goods to customer. But in this case what will be happen, okay, instead of we receiving the stock and dispatching the goods to the customer again, so that is a time taking process and transportation is high. So instead of that I can directly request to vendor directly to you can dispatch the goods to customer. So Amazon, if you take the example of the Amazon, what will be happen, Amazon will take the order but Amazon will not deliver to the goods to the customer. So the third party vendor whoever they who the local vendor is there, they will be dispatch the goods. Okay, clear? Did you understand what is the third party procurement process? Okay, so now this is the one of the SD and MM integration. Okay, this is the SD and MM integration, one of the topic. Okay, so why it is MM and SD integration? Because okay, in the sales order, from sales order, we are creating the purchase requisition automatically. Creating purchase requisition automatically. Okay, and we'll be creating PO and the vendor is dispatching directly to the customer. So this is the reason which both integrated here. So this is the one of the topic STMM integration third party. Okay, so for this what are the necessary prerequisites? Okay, so how the SAP system will understood that whether these products are third party procurement product or it is a normal procurement product. Okay, we have the item category group. Okay, item category group in metal master record. Okay, so generally what we will maintain, we generally if it is a standard sales order we'll be maintaining norm, but in case we will be maintaining the bands. Okay, so what will be happen bands? Okay, so if it is a norm, that what will be happen, it will be converted as a tan as per the sales order sales configuration, it will be converted as a tan, but if it is a bands, it will be converted as a task. Okay, so if it is tan and task, what will be happen? Okay, if this is a tan, the schedule and category which is connected, maybe this is CN. Okay, but in this case what will be happen, the schedule and category will be okay CS. So what will be happen if it is a schedule and category CS? Okay, so if it is a CS, then the system will be thinking that okay, this is a third party procurement, so we need to be linked to material management. So in the background, okay, the system will be generated after once you created the sales order, the system will be creating purchase requisition in background. Okay, so based on this purchase requisition, what you will do, you will be creating the PO, then okay, you will be processing the invoice because we don't have any GR, we are not receiving the goods from the vendor. Okay, so we'll be doing the invoice to the vendor. Then in the already there is a sales order. That sales order from the SD point of view, they will create a billing. Okay, so this is the process. So how we can segregate that this if you have the multiple purchase requisition of purchase orders, how I can segregate the whether it is a standard purchase requisition or it is a third party? It is like item category. Okay, so item category must be S. S is nothing but like a third party. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now as we discussed here, so we should be have the item category should be bans for the third party procurement process. Okay, so let's see if any sales order switch is there. I can take one of the sales order because um, since I am from the material management, so there might be there are so many which is required configuration from the SD point of view. So I will take one of the which is recently posted. Then I can show you that how we can do that. Okay, so we'll go recently whatever it is created, maybe created on maybe I will take the last 4 months or 5 months. Okay, so there are some purchase requests in 16 are there. Okay, so I will take something which is like okay, so I'll take this 2020-297.
We can check for item category TAS and see.
No, it's not. It's okay. I just need to be check from starting, right? So because you are not aware about that, what are the configuration? Maybe okay. So I just need to show you that. Okay. Okay. So now before that, I'll just try to create that. Okay, with reference to this purchase equation. Okay. So I'll just what is the order type here? Okay, I'll take the reference, but before that, I need to take the okay, so this is the OR. Okay, so OR is the order type. Then I'll just take this one reference and order number will like copy from here. The copy. Okay, so sequentially I'm just opening the purchase material master record. Okay, so this is I think there is no problem. I think maybe okay if I go to okay, if I go to incompletion log, so there is no issue. Okay, so I can go ahead this one, and I'll just check that what is the sales data and whatever that is plant is JetCon, and I'll go with the JetCon, and I can go back and you can see header information. What is the sales organization? Sales JetCon CO. Okay, so then I will go to MM02. MM02, then I can enter the material master number, which is like this is the material number. So okay, so I will go to sales data directly. Okay, and select that, and JetCon is and okay, and JetCon and JetC and okay, so this is JetCon JetC. Okay, and I'll go here. So I will be in the display mode. Okay, I'll go to change mode. I'll select the data. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just change the item category from norm to bands. You can see in the F4 it is standard item category group here, and now I can take it up for the bands, which is third party. Okay. Okay, this is one. Now I will be creating the sales order now. Okay, and I will take same the reference and I will connect this one. Okay, now I will remove this one and I will enter again. Okay, so because it is copying from the previous order, so I'll just take this. Okay, and I can enter the, see, if you see, previously it is stand, now it is task, because we changed that, right? Okay, so can be only be created for items assigned a plant. So I need to be assigned a plant. Okay, so what is this plants? The plant is JetCon. Okay, and 074 2020 lies the after factory calendar. Okay, there is some problem which is there, factory calendar issue. And we can see something which is like price also, which is not captured here. So PR 00. Okay. Let's see if any completion logs are there. Okay, no, so I can save. Okay, I saved this one. Let's see whether it is created or not. So I just said in the metal master record. Okay, so this is the which we are maintained that instead of norm we maintain bands. Because of that it is converted to task. Okay, item category, and I can go to the schedule and here, and I can see that this is again the schedule and category is CS. Now the purchase equation which is created automatically. So I can select, I can see here the purchase equation, what document type which is created, and what is item category and account assignment category and material number and metal group. Okay, and the delivery date and all this information which is captured. Okay, clear? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, okay, if you can see here, I will just show you something in case it is possible. Okay, so if I go to here, schedule and category. So from MM point of view, it is not required, but I will show you something here. Schedule and category. Okay, if you see here, this is the order type which is standard. Okay, because it is capturing from here. Okay, so whenever it is the schedule and category, yes, the system will take the document type, order types or defaultly, which is like NB. Okay, in future, if the client is asking that I don't want to create any document type with NB, I just want to be differentiate with the third party document with a different PR document, then you can create with a different document type. Okay, and again, this is the standard. Account assignment category and item category should be standard. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you see that in case of it is CN, okay, okay, there will be like CPR, CN, it is like it's relevant to the goods delivery. That means those the orders are relevant to delivery, but in this case, yes, it is not relevant to delivery. Okay, so there is no movement type here. Clear? Okay, so this is the one configuration very important. Okay, and if you can see that again item category group which is bands. Okay, so that again sorry, task which is like, okay, so the task which is assigned to CS, that what it is coming automatically to yes. If it is tan, okay, then it will be like different again in the CN again it will be validating that other things as well, CP, CN, and what is the type and everything, it will be validated. Okay, so on, so any questions here?
No questions.
Yeah. So it's mostly majorly it is a ST point of view. Okay, so once PR it is created, what you can do, you can see in the ME53N, which is purchase requisition display. Okay, and I can go here, I can see that purchase requisition. If it is release strategy triggered, then you can have to be released. Okay, you can see in the header level if it is release strategy there. So even it is possible item level also for purchase requisition. Purchase requisition, it is possible header and item both. Okay, so you need to validate whether item level or header level. If it is release strategy, it is activated, and you have to be released that. Other than that, if you don't have, then you can convert this purchase requisition to purchase order. Okay, so again, okay, again, if you what was the T code? Purchase order creation ME21N. Okay, so if you remember that the previously we created with reference to RFQ. Now I'm creating with reference to PR. Okay, so if it is with reference to PR, then I have to be enter here. If it is reference to RFQ, I have to be enter here. Clear? Okay, so then it will be captured the information. Okay, first we need to be fill this information on. Okay, so let's see what it is there. That it is there or not. Okay, I have to check that whether any vendor which is created or not in this purchase organization and company code. There is no. Okay, so we'll create one purchase. We'll create one vendor must create record this information. So jetcon and jetcon. Okay, and 0001. Okay. So third party. So I'm just entering that wherever it is mandatory. So it is created one vendor master record number. I will just take this vendor master record number. I'll create a PO. Okay. So now from here it is automatically captured all the information from the PR. Okay. Now from this vendor, how much price it is like? If suppose it is from this price, okay, it is like 800 rupees. Let's say some that. Okay. So this is the my price which is I'm buying from the this vendor. Okay. So if you can see here delivery, you can see delivery address and all. Okay. So if you can see the delivery address, it is customer delivery address. It's not my plant address. Okay. So this is one thing which you need to remember. What is the address here? This is the customer address. Okay. So can I see that what sales order it is connected? This order, this purchase order. Can I see that?
Account assignment.
Yeah. So we have to go to assignment account assignment category. So in this account assignment category, I can see that what order number and item number and line item that I can see here. Okay. Clear? So this is one thing which delivery address, which is what this is one thing and this is one thing. Okay. And if you can see that here, invoice tab. Okay, the invoice receipt which is there, but GR based IV is not required because we are not receiving the goods, and moreover, it is not selected goods receipt because we are not doing any goods receipt. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So now purchase order which is created. Okay. Okay. There was some error which is coming. So not sure what is happened. There is some technical error which is coming. We'll see what is happening. Okay, so what happened here? There is no issues here whenever I'm saving. So no update of the sales order from purchase order. So there is some error which is coming. Why it is coming? Cannot create a purchase order, change the purchase order. Why? To change the or create a purchase order, the system attempting to update the relevant sales order items in the sales order during the P1 2014. Okay, there's some sales order issue which is coming. Try to remove cause the issue V1 244 in the sales order. The attempt to create or change the purchase order again. So do you know that what is the message here? V1 244. Let's see. V1 244. Now else I can go. There is one transaction code. We can see that messages. What is the transaction code? It is C 94 or something here. Not a C 94. Not a C 91. Okay. So what it is? V1, right? V1. The 244.
It should be
That and lies the after end of the okay. This is same problem which is coming, right? Calendar issue. So calendar issue which is not because factory calendar again. So many things which we need to consider here. But why it is not showing here in completion log? It's showing all is completed, but I'm not sure. But we'll see again. It's a factory calendar issue. So what is the factory calendar here? What factory calendar they are using? We must be have the. Okay. Let's see this factory calendar. Don't know what is the calendar actually. So wherever it is there. So did you remember that which factory calendar which is showing error recently?
we have to basically, I guess it is related to factory calendar.
Yeah, it's factory calendar only, but production planning will be get.
We have to extend the factory calendar that is assigned to the plant.
Correct. What is the factory calendar here? I'm talking about what is the factory calendar here?
Can we check in the plant configuration?
Plant, not plant configuration. Where okay, let's go to production or something. Where is the
To find out factory calendar, we'll be able to find out the factory calendar from the plant.
where in the okay? You're talking about enterprise structure.
Yeah, correct.
Enterprise structure, not sure. Okay, let's see. E01.
Yeah,
Okay.
01.
Okay. The 01 it is 2026. It is there. It is there. So there is no issue here. Factory calendar. We also not getting clearly what factory calendar it is getting problem.
If it is okay, can we create one more sales order? We can check.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'll create one more.
Sales order.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Instead of this, I can take directly this sales order number which we created now. But we still not created, right? So we need to
Yeah,
go purchase requisition. So we'll do in the different document and flow. Okay, so this is one which we created. Okay, so in this purchase requisition, account assignment category, I can take the sales order number. We'll take this number. Okay, so complete delivery. Okay, so here we are not getting any problem. That's what.
can
Hmm?
can we change the quantity of the sales order to check? Just keep the double check. And at the line item level, it was basically giving us some.
What you want? Sorry.
Okay, now can we try to save it?
Here, from here you want
Yes.
save?
Yes.
Can I save?
Yeah. So yeah.
I'm not getting. Okay, we'll try one time.
Okay.
We'll create over manually instead of that.
We are very
Now we are not getting problem. It's not taking. Yeah.
No, you are not enter the quantity. That is what.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Procedure question can only be created for item assignment.
This is a plant between design. Okay, that's okay.
Okay, 06.
6 it is coming.
I think this must be assigned to the shipping point.
Oh, okay, yeah. Shipping point level to shipping. Okay, so okay, so here you know currency level we don't have anything. Okay. Okay, ship planning. Okay, so here also we don't have anything.
Which we have, this we have to explain. No, can you go back? Select and definition. So, yeah, and also. Hmm. Hello?
Oh, sorry, I was in mute.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so pivot is created. Okay, so purchase order created. So now has just shown that okay we don't have the goods shipped here. and year based IB we don't have. Okay, because it is third party, we are not expecting anything here. Okay, now now so, and the major one more thing which is like you can see in the item category level also. Okay, sorry. Okay, the account assessment category level also it is a third party. We go to maintain account assessment categories. You can see here. So for a third party, okay, so there is no goods receipt checkbox. Okay, so from here it is controlling what consumption posting should be done. Okay, and what account modifiers, and whether goods receipt will be allowed or not, and here non-validated invoices from the account assignment category it will be validated. Okay, so this is one of the configuration. Why goods receipt is not coming automatically based on the from account assignment category. This is the one restriction. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay. And now, now I'm trying to do the MIRO. So again, posting allowed only 0302. So if you're getting this error, allowing posting period, okay, 0302 means, okay, so the current period it is not open. Where we can see that is not open, okay, to do the posting, you can see in the go to SC69, okay, MARV table we can see. If it is JCon, okay, you can see 0302. So current month is fourth month, it is still not open. Okay, so from MM point of view, you need to check this table. In case if you don't have the access to the look into this one, okay, table level, then you can go to MMRV. MMRV is the transaction code. You can see that where exactly it is currently the current period. Okay, to change from the 03 to 04, what you need to do, you have to go to MMPB. Okay, and enter that company code and period, which period you want to be open, and that you can do and execute this one. Okay, now it is open. Now I can see if you go to table, I can see that MARV table and the company code is JCon. I can see that fourth period which is open. Current. Okay, previously it is third and now it's fourth. Okay, so now it will be allowed to post the current month. Okay, so now it is not showing any error message. Okay, and now so now you also need to be post the billing here VF01. Okay, so what is the sales order? 20309, right? Is it correct? Sales order number is correct?
We created, okay, we can use this one.
Yes, sure, 309, right? So you can so some error which is coming, no billing document which is not generated because, so what is the logs here? Why it's not created?
Can you go to edit? Yeah, log.
So billing type could not be determined. So there is some configuration which is missing from the sales point of view, but in the invoice point of view, you can create billing invoice. Okay, I can create to vendor. Okay, I can see that what is the tax code. VA is not there. Okay, so there is no tax codes. So this code, this company code don't have any tax codes. So again, tax configuration and all we have to do. So this tax code which is coming wrongly. So it's mandatory tax code. Okay. So if not entering the tax code, it is not allowing. So you need to be assigned your configuration again for tax code and all. From the FI point of view, they have to be assigned the tax procedure to the country. So So again, I have to go financial accounting and financial accounting. Okay, sorry, I can go to new financial accounting, new and financial accounting, then tax and again basic settings. Okay, then check the country what it is assigned, what is the country it is assigned. Okay, for this assigned, it is something which is wrong. I will just assign something which is like other tax code, which is what it is there. I don't know exactly. It is also not there. Tax INN. Okay, tax INN is there, but again, in this tax INN, you have the tax codes are there. Again, that is also need to be checked. That what are the tax codes which is created. So define tax codes and IN country. There is no tax code which is created. So again, I have to be create V1. Okay, input tax code V, and I'll put something which is like I'll just put a 0. Okay, for testing purpose. I'll just create it now. So I'll try again with VN is not captured here. The tax procedure again, we have to maintain the tax condition record FTXP. Let's try again. Yeah, and VN is created. So tax for 0.4%. Yeah, done. F11. Okay, so what's the condition type we have? I'll put something which is there. MOP. Oh, it's not capturing still. So we need to check what it is capturing here. So there's something which we need to do. Okay, what we can do. So it is normal invoice only. So how we are paying to more. But again, here something which is capturing here 10% which is coming the tax INN, and this tax INN which is capturing here, then we can maintain condition records. Let me try once again pivot creation, but it is pivot already created. I can go to change mode. Let's see whether it is capturing or not. If it is not capturing, then might be something which is missing from finance side. Why it is coming here? Okay, this is a purchase order, different purchase order. I'll just give something, no values. So it is not capturing here. Okay. Industry base. Okay. We already there. Again, tax code. Again, this is also we need to check that which chart of account they are assigned again. So general INT, they will be use INT. Let's try with INT. Well, it is there correctly. How it is now coming? Okay, so assign tax code. Okay, so yeah, what is it? CON, right? Okay. So I'll assign tax codes here. Okay, tax codes are assigned. Now let's try again. Me 22N. Let's see now it is capturing or not. Mhm. We'll try again. Create, delete this one and create again. Okay, now it's captured. Create tax code. Now we'll save. Okay, so purchase order which is created. Not at release. Okay, this is expected. Okay, now let's go to MIRO. Okay, now let's see if we get to the problem or not. Okay, baseline that I can pay something. Process 550, 10% of 50 rupees. Okay, and okay, good. Okay, so again there will be some error which is maybe an I think tax account. Yeah, so there will be output tax code only allowed for this one. So again, these are the GL account level finance team they have to be do. So I will show you where you can do FS00 because simple this is customized one, right? So that the company code which is customized one. So we must be aware about that or what it is impacting other side also. Okay, so that so mostly so some people what they will do they will simply they will create and they'll leave. So I can see it is only a tax credit output. So I will put that. Okay, I'll put that. Okay, star. All tax will be allowed, but it is change mode or it is okay, star. I will put. So it will be allowed. All the posting tags rows are allowed. Okay, now we'll try again. So this is output tax code they configured for this, but yeah, again I'm just testing purpose, right? So it's okay. Okay, now try again. Might be we'll get something. Let's see. No, it's okay. Good. So now it's posted. Okay. So finally, from our MM point of view, we cleared all purchase. We completed invoice here, and we paid amount to vendor, right? So again, from the SD point of view, they have to be create a billing document for the sales order. Okay, so there was some configuration again it is missing. That again, finance team they will check that. It is not our job. Okay, clear? There must be something. Billing type could not be determined specified. Okay, I'm not sure. It should be capture automatically billing type, but generally what billing type will take? F1, right? F1, right?
Sure, sure.
I don't know why it's coming like this. Okay, there must be something or configuration missing for this. It will be capture automatical, right? So it will be capture
Yeah,
automatic.
can you go to the logs actually? F2 should be there actually.
Right, so
Advanced type. Yeah, F2 should be there.
F2.
Yeah,
Okay,
F2 advanced type.
yeah, we'll enter F2. But again, I think it will also will get problem.
Yeah, it should be open.
Okay, so now it's clear now. Okay, so now this is again, and they will be post this one. So from the customer side, we'll get the amount and we'll pay the amount to vendor. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So this is the we can see in the VA03 for this sales order. You can see the documents, order documents, which is like standard order, which is created, purchase order, which is created, invoice, which is created. Okay, all this we can see. So again, it is clear, not clear. Then again, no, that is the again accounting finance related. Maybe they have to be some accounting documents or something, which is problem. Okay, so this is a third party process. So majorly from our point of view, what we need to observe here, we need to be observed that whether the item category is bans and whether purchase requisition created or not. From the in the purchase requisition item category and account estimate category that we need to be checked and we need to be processed. Clear?